Several months ago, there were speculations surrounding the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, suggesting the inclusion of a feature similar to the iPhone's emergency texting via satellite connectivity. Recent leaks have now confirmed the presence of this emergency texting capability in the Galaxy S24. A leaked image from a Galaxy phone indicates a potential new feature that Samsung may brand as emergency texts via satellite, set to debut with the Galaxy S24. Samsung clarifies that in the absence of a mobile signal, if an emergency call is made, the phone will utilize a satellite network to establish a connection, allowing the user to send an emergency text. This feature is expected to function similarly to recent iPhones, enabling users to send text messages with their location to emergency teams, aiding in location identification and assistance. It proves particularly valuable in scenarios where individuals are in remote areas and cannot contact family, friends, or emergency services through regular cell networks. The feature is likely to be present in Galaxy S24 phones equipped with both Exynos and Snapdragon chips. Samsung has introduced a novel technology called 5G NTN, enabling two-way communication via satellites. Adhering to the standards set by 3GPP, this technology may be incorporated into the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra phones. However, its availability might be gradual, initially launching in specific locations before extending to other countries. Additionally, there is a fresh rumor about the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen. According to a source, Ahmed Quater, the brightness of its display could potentially reach up to 2,600 nits, surpassing the earlier rumored 2,500 nits for all three phones in the lineup. Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. If accurate, this heightened brightness might occur momentarily during specific scenes, particularly in HDR content. To put it into perspective, the Galaxy S23 series boasted a peak brightness of 1,750 nits in HDR scenes. If the rumor holds true, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could feature Samsung's brightest screen ever, surpassing competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro, 2,000 nits, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, 2,400 nits. It's crucial to note that brightness perception isn't linear. A slight increase in nits doesn't equate to the screen appearing twice as bright. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.